Okay, just an update on my Camaro project. It's been probably about a week or so. That's what I got so far. Just gotta do this radio support. I'm gonna motor swap and put a manual trans in it. This front part of the car is usually probably pretty rough. Might be able to save, maybe not. I got some used tires for it, so I can just roll it around at least. This is the back side of it. I would show you the trunk, but there's a lot of stuff in there, so there's really no point. You wouldn't really get to see how the floor looks. It's alright, it's not too terrible. Might be able to be saved. Here's the driver's side part of the car. Most of this trim is still pretty decent actually, so I could still save some of this. This is this side of it. I don't know if you can really see it too good. Control arm on this side is broken, so that's why this tire kind of sticks out a little bit. I'll show you the inside of this. So here's the inside. Let me show you the seats. The seat's pretty trashed. So that one's not too terrible. Here's all the dash stuff. Still got the original radio and glove box still here. Here's the trim for the dash. Now here comes the fun part, the floors. Yep. So this is the floors. This is the passenger side. It's pretty bad. This is the rear. This isn't terrible. Now if I were to lift this up, you pretty much see a whole floor thing of rust and all the leaf springs, so I don't feel like doing that. On top of the roof, not too bad. It's got a long way to go.